tarot reader, tarot guide Shefali. Welcome to this video. This is a video for April 2021 predictions. We are going to do sun sign based predictions in this video. So there will be series of 12 sun sign based predictions which I'll be releasing in Hindi as well as in English on my channel Tarot Reader Shefali in Hindi and Tarot Reader Shefali in English. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube, Instagram as well as Facebook, because on Instagram also I do keep on releasing a lot of pick a card readings and lot of topics which I cover under the tarot segment. Also do keep sharing your comments, sharing your insights, sharing your experiences from these readings. That it really helps me to improvise. I have launched a new brand called Astro Brooks by Shefali, which is a multi-astro stream brand. So I offer integrated destiny management solutions under this brand, and I already have released a video which is talking in detail about what this brand offers. So do check out that video. I'll be placing a card over here which you can so that you can check that video and know a little more about the brand. I'm also going to mention it at the end of the video, where I'll be putting in a slide so that you know what all services I offer under that brand. So without wasting too much of time, let us quickly jump into this video. I also I would like to mention that for Astro Brooks also I have a YouTube channel, Instagram page, Facebook group and a Facebook page. I'm inviting all of you to join this Facebook group because it is a unified group of Tarot Reader Shefali and Astro Brooks by Shefali, which is a parent brand now. So now quickly jumping to this. Hi Scorpions, let's see what's in cards for April 2021. We have anxiety in the reverse position, which is suggesting that somewhere you have been feeling anxious, fearful. A lot of stress was ruling your mind. You were feeling indecisive, confused, and that was making you feel imbalanced in life. But in this month, you are going to come out of that anxiousness. Angels are advising you to vacuum away fear. They are going to guide you through a right path, and they are going to help you decloud yourself and feel more confident, more balanced in the coming time. We have a King of Cups energy in the upright position. Now this King of Cups is going to really balance you in the coming time, in this month. He's going to give you all the love, warmth and support and care in your life. He's going to make you feel special. So this could be some senior member in your family. It could be your parent, it could be your husband, it could be your partner, your brother, elder brother, or some elder connection in your family or social circle, which is going to really empower you and make you feel connected to your divine self as well as to your own self. So it is going to be a flowering time, a very beautiful time where you feel pampered, loved and cared for. Coming to your career, we have Four of Wands energy in the reverse position. This energy is suggesting that you might be expecting some closures, some good closures, but that they are getting delayed from a work front. Now this could be your business decision, this could be your career, that is your job. If you are planning for a job change or some upgradation in job, some reward or appreciation in job, if you are planning from some business change, if you are planning some growth in your business and your career, yes, this is going to be a time where you might be experiencing delays, but don't get panic. If you are planning for some skill enhancement, yes, you will be experiencing some delays, but in this case, the maturity, you will have to show a lot of maturity to handle things. So don't take any hasty steps, don't respond or react, don't hurt anybody's egos, don't demotivate yourself, because it is not your mistake. It may or may not be your mistake. It could be just a tough time which is anyways prevalent in the market, which might be holding you back. So hold on, show maturity, and things will shape up in time. Coming to your finances, friends, we can see Page of Swords energy in the reverse position. Now Page of Swords energy is very much indicating that somewhere your finances are not in control somewhere. So okay, there are there is a duality over here, or there are two alternatives. So some of you might be experiencing a drastic fall in your financial planning, and you are not getting clarity in how to manage your finances well. Some of you, while be able to manage them, but you will still lack clarity. So I can see a lot of mental stress, mental chaos because of improper financial planning, either because you have planned improperly in past, or you are not able to get clarity on how to plan it ahead in future. Friends, illusion beyond illusion is a message for you. So try to think beyond what is seen. It might not be as bad situation as you feel or you're fearful about. It could be just a perceptual bias. So just try to think beyond illusions. You might be getting guided. Or for those people who are feeling too stressed or confused, I would suggest hold on. It could be wait for the right time to get clarity, to feel decluttered, and then move on in future. Coming to your health, friends, we can see Two of Cups energy in upright, which is a very beautiful energy suggesting a balance in health. So you are taking care of your health. There is an emotional support at the corner. Your partner might be supporting you, might be balancing you emotionally to be settled, to be taking care of your health. They might be pampering you. Your own intuition is also at its height, so you will be guided. So even if you feel that you're faltering in either career, or delaying in career, or faltering somewhere in your finances, you will be guided. And if you feel that there is still something to be done, then you should work more on your intuition, because your intuition looks really good and you are guided right now. Your intuition, connect with your intuition, and you will get the message through synchronicities, dreams, or some guidances. So change is the card which is suggesting you that it is a big change expected in your energies, and accept it with your open arms. Don't let it fade out. Vacuum away fear, and is the message from angels, which is suggesting that somewhere where you were feeling fearful, let it go. Just trust on the divine self, trust on the divine authorities. Get the message, get connected to intuition, balance your energies, and things will shape up. Nothing is worst or bad. It is still in control, and you will take charge of it over the period. Keep your inner child on, keep your inner child active. Let it be as innocent as it was. Let it be as open to receiving things as it was. Don't let anything clutter it, because this inner child will help you to be lively and fresh, and it will help you to be hopeful for the future. I hope this reading helps you guys, Scorpions. Good luck. Help you to plan your coming month in the best possible fashion. Wherever you feel there is need of more help or more personalized reading, you can connect with me on my email ID, or on my mobile number, or WhatsApp me on my number. You can put me an Instagram message or a Facebook message. I'm very active there, and I will reply back at the earliest. So don't forget to follow me on these platforms: Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, as well as Facebook group, which is named under Astro Vruksh by Shefali. I would request you to share these videos with your friends, families, colleagues, so that they can also get benefit out of these free readings, and they can also plan their life better. Do share your feedback in terms of comments, in terms of queries. If you feel stuck somewhere, you can connect with me either personally or on my YouTube channel. Please stick to the context of tarot reading or astro advice. Okay, so that is one request I would like to make. I'm thanking all the subscribers for being along the journey, and I would like to invite more subscribers to join us, so that we can help each other, and I can help you more in my capacity and regularly, so that you can get the guidance out of it. And I hope this month goes well for you. Thank you guys. Very good luck to you.